Hi wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Play wig by Wille in the color Mango Rooted. And I'm going to do a color spotlight of the Mango Rooted, so I'm not really going to go into much detail about the color, but there's loads to talk about with this Play wig, so let's go ahead and discuss, shall we? This, to me, kind of feels like Pat Benatar hair, you know, kind of like Bowie. It's a very classic rock shag, which I know is not going to be everybody's cup of tea. And in fact, when I first saw the pictures of it, I was kind of scared of it. I actually like it a lot better than I thought I would. I think part of it, here, let me fluff it up so I can show you some more of the detail on it. I think part of the reason why I like it is the bang is perfect. It is the perfect length. It is perfectly curled. It's not really getting in my eyes that much. I really like that. I like the fact that it weighs like nothing. This is like a 2-ounce wig, give or take. So it's very light on, which makes it very comfortable. I also kind of am in love with these longer layers here off to the side. I think that this is extremely flattering. Maybe not universally flattering on everybody, but I do feel like this is an intelligent cut for the layering. So even though it's a little bit of a vintage looking cut, on the right kind of person, I think this could be really fun, kind of youthful looking in a weird way, and edgy. And I really like all of those adjectives. So let me go ahead and do a 360 so I can show you what this one looks like on all sides. Man, this one is crazy. It's crazy because it's like a mullet shaggy cut. I would never think in a million years I would like something that has the word, I almost like want to retch in my mouth when I say the word mullet. Like, like it doesn't want to come out at all. But let's be real. This is definitely you know, business in front, party in back. So I think we're firmly in mullet territory. But that being said, I like this one. I don't know if I would wear this one in real life because I feel like I'm not really comfortable in shags compared to bobs. Like, I'm more of a bob girl. Like, I've never met a bob I didn't like. It's like that. But if you find that you're the kind of person who loves layers, loves shags, then this one is actually super cute. I'm shocked that I like this one, really. And you know me, I would not say I like something if I don't. I sincerely had reservations, and I put this review off forever because I was like, I don't know, that's not gonna look good on me. And I kind of love it though. It's super comfortable, especially for an Wille wig. This one fits really nicely. I think it'll give you a lot of potential to play with, especially if you get some shaping cream. I mean, you could do all kinds of fun stuff with a wig with this much texture. I mean, I don't have anything on my fingers, but you could kind of get the gist of what I'm saying. With all these layers, you could really make that work and turn it into something kind of rocker chic. The front is 3.75 inches. It's a perfect bang length for me. I love it. It's wispy and light. Look how light that bang is. Oh, I love it. The crown down is 5 inches. The sides are 3, and the nape, kind of a long one for such a short cut. It's 4 inches. So, Play by Wille is a relatively basic wig. It's got an open top. You can really see those wefts in there, so it breathes really well. Has felt right here up at the front hairline. Also has a little pop of monofilament right at the crown, which is basically the opposite of what you would expect. You would expect permatease to be right here, right? But not Play. Play gives you a monofilament crown, which is super hard to see because it's very densely threaded. I don't know if my camera is even gonna be able to focus on it, honestly. Can you focus, camera? Oh, there we go. So, really hard to see. So it's one of those features where I'm like, why do they even bother? But okay, whatever. It also has felt here on the ear tabs, an extended felt nape with a Velcro adjuster. open on the sides and in the back, and uber stretchy for an Ellen Villa wig. I attribute that to the fact that this has an open cap, which tends to be a little bit more easy to stretch out than one that's got a lot of monofilament features. Here's what this wig's back looks like. It's very sleek, very straight. The texture looks very flat ironed all over, and it sticks out a little bit in the back, so it's kind of feathered, lots of layering. Very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and shake her out and put her back on for you. I really like this one, as I've mentioned earlier. It's shocking to me that I like it at all. Because I mean, when it first came out, I was like, oh man, that almost looks like cosplay hair, you know? But it definitely doesn't feel like a cosplay wig on. It's very comfortable. And I feel like on the right person, this will be a really chic look. So if you feel confident rocking a shag, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, and apparently even I can still be surprised from time to time. So that's CysterWigs.com. Check out our store if you get a chance. I hope that we've demonstrated and will continue to demonstrate to you that the money you spend in our store goes right back into making more resources for you. I think that's the way it should be, don't you? And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.